This is one epic vehicle, and this is one epic drive. Isuzu Philippines may have started these breathtaking adventures on four wheels for the motoring media in a trip to Kalinga province, Chico River, for some heart-stopping whitewater rafting some 2 decades ago. Since then, Isuzu's legendary tough and versatile pickups and SUVs have gone on many on and off-road trips, not just in Luzon, but all over the Philippines. All of that just cements Isuzu's reputation for tough, reliable, and durable vehicles, perfect for owners who intend to keep them for a very long time. Now, Isuzu is still hard at it, maintaining its reign as the undisputed king of media adventure drives with the D-MAX pickup and UX SUV. But this time, there's a glamorous new touch. The taste and feel of glamping infusing the overlanding lifestyle as well as cultural and wellness aspects into the mix. For our current adventure, there sure were a lot of opportunities to create some great road trip memories. We drove from Manila to Baguio to Sagada, where we pitched camp for 2 days before completing the epic loop via Banawe, Nueva Ecija, and Nueva Vizcaya and back to Manila. With the D-MAX and UX vehicles outfitted with Overland Kings camping rigs, we enjoyed the ride up to the country's highest mountain range. And amidst the clouds, chilly air, and the occasional ice-cold rain, we set up camp, communed with nature, and enjoyed each other's company. I also enjoyed the vegan food devoid of any animal product prepared by the chef at our campsite. Best thing about this is that you can enjoy that kind of trip too. How? Well, go and watch this.
There's a heavenly place of distraction free. Come with me, I can lead you the way. Heaven overflowing, milk and honey. Come with me, come trek with me. As you turn your gaze into the woodland, nurtured by God's almighty hand, that gives the river sweet caress that flows from the hearts of the trees. And whoever wishes to have a journey, come and trek with me along the ways unfading rainbow, where grass is blue with silver dew. Get I climb the mountain high. Get high, you can reach the sky. Get high, and you'll realize the place is almost paradise. Nahay ka na eh. All these creatures are gifts from the heaven, the stewardship of men. Along your path, from dusk to dawn, cast your fears, you can come along. as a tree, and it shall blossom as the forest, and it shall roar. And if you ask the winding river, it will say, you're almost there. And I get high, climb the mountain high, and you can reach the sky. Get high, and you'll realize the place is almost paradise. Get high, come trek with me. Get high, come trek with me.
Overland as a word, less than 5 years lang. We started 2017. Overland kasi is simple terms, camping and road trips. Put that together and then you add the glamorous part. That's Overland. That's how I define it. And the beauty about Overland, it's just so new. There's no fixed definition for it.
Yeah.
The way Australians do it, the way Americans do it are quite different. And the way you see me and our team do it, we're the only ones in the world probably doing it this way. General idea, there's some car involvement. Car dependent, kasi car dependent, pag 3 words ano yun, car dependent glamping. That's how I do it. That's Overland. So, syempre, to get to a glam site, you have to drive the car.
Of course.
Not all the time we get a location like this where there's toilets and all that. Not all the time. The pure essence of it is exploration of a location. Let's say waterfall. That's the pure essence of it. Overlanding is a new term, not more than 10 years. And then nung pandemic, when people didn't want to sleep in a hotel room, remember that time where you don't want to sleep in another person's bed? That's when all of the roof tents sold. And then the guys who, it became, I want to still travel, pero hindi mo ka-air flight. How am mag-airplane eh? How am I gonna do it? Your car is your safest haven, di ba? This is the Filipino way, the way Filipinos want it. Nobody has it with glamping tents, nobody has it with personal chefs cooking for you. Majority of overlanders are solo travel, dalawang tao. If you even watch YouTube, it's 1 or 2 guys. Look at us. Actually, we're a good representation. Even if you're by yourself and you say, I'm going, hindi, kami lang. That means the whole family. In short, when we cook, minimum na yung 10 eh. Pag nag-outing ka sa beach, we're a group of 10. So what? Parang weird pag, and there's nothing wrong na minsan dalawa lang tayo, but our natural tendency is a group. We're very social as our culture.
Yeah.
So that,
One word that really struck in my mind is about relationship. This is not just work, but this is about relationship with our media and with our partners. So it's all about having work and play. From Isuzu Philippines, we want to build a relationship with you guys as always.